Welcome to the installation process of the Sampath Bank Payment Gateway to your Shopify store. Here we discuss the installation process of the Sampath Bank Payment app. Make sure you have fulfilled the basic requirements. Active Shopify store. Active Sampath Bank Payment Gateway account. Provide your store URL via WhatsApp to obtain the app installation URL. Once you obtain the installation URL, you can continue the installation. Get the client ID, auth token, and the HMAC secret from Sampath Bank. Now you can start installing the Shopify payment app. Click on the Install button. Then click on the Install App button. You will be redirected to the app configuration portal. Let's configure the payment app. Click on the Continue button to go to the next step. Click on the Select Plan button. Important: there are two modes. Live mode is only for live transactions and test mode is only for test transactions. Test mode is optional. We are configuring live mode for this instance. Enter the credentials that you got from your Sampath Bank and click on Activate. Note that, if you want to manage multiple merchant IDs, fill the Custom Config section and click on Activate. Select the relevant payment methods from the list and click on Activate. Your payment app is installed. Please send the following details via WhatsApp to complete the merchant onboarding process and obtain a live mode license. 1. Payment Gateway Application Name, example, Sampath Bank. 2. Company name, optional. 3. Contact name, first name and last name. 4. Contact email. 5. Contact mobile number, WhatsApp, Viber, or Telegram mobile number. 6. Shopify URL. 7. Billing address.
Thank you for watching.